Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video we're gonna talking about which makeup to bring with you when you are on holiday. I know many of you maybe already have been on holiday, but maybe it's not too late, and it could be also a makeup look you can wear it at home now that you have a tan and feel more relaxed. Maybe I have this great suggestion by one sweet girl that follows me, and yes, I decided to dedicate a video about it. It's the second part of the video where I applied my makeup, so if you're interested, please follow also the second part of the video. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and follow me also on Instagram, where I upload quite daily makeup news. So this year I was very good at bringing minimal makeup with me. I usually bring with me many makeup products and also skincare treatment, and then I don't use any of them. So this year I decided to take a few products and try to use them. But when I'm on holiday, I'm always late. I don't know why. When it's evening, I usually bring with me foundation. So this is my favorite Luminous Silk foundation by Armani, and I usually bring with me the darkest one, but I usually mix this color together. So if you're interested in the second part, I show you also the color. This is number 2 and this is number 6.5. I always apply a veil of foundation onto my skin to even out, and I never forget to carry with me a concealer. So here is a liquid concealer by NARS. This is a mini size and it's so clever to bring with you. This instead is a stick concealer by Dermablend Vichy. Very practical to carry with you because you can use it also instead of foundation. So the suggestions I always given to my clients is not to purchase a new foundation to go on holiday. If you go to the seaside and you will have a tan, so don't purchase a new foundation before, because you can't really guess which color your skin will get. Always pay attention also to the texture, because if you purchase a heavy texture, also a medium heavy texture, and you don't take the right color, you will have a not very nice gray effect onto your skin. So just play maybe with a concealer instead. I have powder bronzer. This is by Dior. This is light bronzer and so beautiful also for the packaging, you know, but it's a very light powder. Also the color suits my skin very well. If you're pale like me, you will obtain this effect. So now we have a foundation, concealer or two, and a bronzer powder, eyeshadow palette. I brought with me this standard palette by Chanel. These colors are really amazing. So if you want to achieve a natural soft look, or maybe also to intensify just a little bit, this palette is very beautiful and their colors go with everything. I wanted to bring with me this Dior Dune palette, but then I decided to bring just one eyeshadow palette, and I went for Chanel because you see this palette is beautiful, but you have to have a beautiful tan, and I stay away just for 1 week. I know I couldn't achieve a very deep tan look, and it's very luminous. So if you prefer a luminous effect, this palette is absolutely amazing. So it is another great choice. One eyeshadow palette only, and I chosen Chanel. And then I brought with me this magic product. This is Lisa Eldridge Crystal Nebula Highlighter. It's amazing. This color is so beautiful and it's perfect to have this beautiful luminous effect. I really love it, and I combine it with a cream blush, and this is Pink Poetry blush by Lisa Eldridge. This is a cream blush, so it's very easy to use when you are late like me always. So just take it a little bit of this fuchsia color and just put it onto your cheeks. It gives a very natural look if you have a tan, because it's pink, and pink really mimics the redness we have naturally when you are catching sun. I also carry with me Pink Explosion by Chanel. This is a beautiful, cool pink, and it really helps to have this beautiful flash of pink onto your cheeks. So I didn't forget to bring with me also this magic eyebrow pencil. This is by Dior. This is Brow Styler. Beautiful product, very subtle, so easy to use, and you have the brush here, so very useful. I always carry with me a brown eye pencil. This is Brune Agape, and also a More Intense pencil by Chanel, so a black one, and a mini size of mascara. So this is my iconic Overcurl mascara by Dior. A touch of lipstick. I decided to take Rose Official by Lisa Eldridge with me. This is the only shade I carried with me. This beautiful, cool pink shade that really goes with everything because it's so natural, and the texture is really amazing, soft. You feel your lips hydrated. And yes, I really love this lipstick. So you see, this is the color, but I show you everything better in the second part of the video. So I just start applying a mix of these two shades of my favorite foundation. It is Armani Luminous Silk. I'm usually a number 2 from this foundation, but I have always with me 6.5, a medium neutral tone. So this is the shade of 6.5, and near the number 2. I mix them together. It really depends by my skin color, or instead I use this Flat Kabuki by Sigma, and I gently press it like this. I usually take with me a liquid concealer. So this is Custard by NARS. It has a little bit of yellow in it, as you can see. When I'm at the seaside, or generally on holiday and it's late evening when you have to do your makeup, I'm completely late, so I'm very quick in doing my makeup, and I take, just as you are seeing, a little bit of foundation, a little bit of concealer, and you can also take with you a cream concealer stick like this and quickly use it as a base. For example, this is Dermablend by Vichy, and then I start to powder with a light bronzer like this. This is Light Bronzer, also the name, by Christian Dior. This is number 2. Usually I bring with me a very small brush. So when I was on vacation, I brought with me this blush by Lisa Eldridge. This is the cream blush Pink Poetry. It's a beautiful pink shade, so very easy to use. This is the color, you see, a little touch of this one. Put just a little bit onto your bridge of the nose. It really is more natural in a way, because you have a natural redness here when you spend your days in the sun. So a little bit of pink explosion over, just to let you see beautiful color. So never go up with your blush, but just stay here. Now we need an eye look. I have this Le Beige Chanel Summer palette, beautiful with pink tone. I start applying this luminous shade. It's a beautiful pink sparkling, and I blend it with this one that's matte. I take this shade underneath a little bit. Now I take my Brune Agape eye pencil, it's a brown shade. I suggest you to bring with you brown pencil, because it's very easy to smudge. You don't have to be so precise, for example, and you can really play with different colors. So light blue, for example, you can use a brown shade for contour your eyes. So in this case I used a pink or a shade, so it's very easy to create a soft look. And if you want to intensify, you have just to take the darkest shade like this and place it here in the corner like this. So if you're pale, this color are particularly clever because they really mimic a little bit of tan, you see. And don't forget your mascara to define the look. So we have the warm color, we have a little bit of glitters. Now we can also add the brown in the waterline if you wanna have a more impactful look. And now it's time for lipstick. I personally carried with me just one lipstick. This is a Rose Official by Eldridge, you see. So this is the color, and it is an absolutely beautiful lipstick. I chosen this shade is because it's very natural on the lips, but it really helps, you see, to have your lips but better. Cool, so it particularly suits my natural color. Easy to apply because it's a luxuriously lucent lip color, so it's very soft and luminous and stays a little bit onto your lips. So don't forget also your eyebrows. I use this Brow Styler by Dior. It's one of my favorite pencils, also to do makeup on other people. So thin and precise. Don't forget to get a little bit of highlighter. I always have this product with me. This is Crystal Nebula by Eldridge. It's the color and it's magic. I use it even before my makeup, so just under the foundation, and then I reapply over for a final touch. But very beautiful. So if you have a perfect skin with a tan, you can skip everything and just use a touch of this product and the blush, I think. I always love it. So this is my final look. What do you think? Let me know if you are going on holiday at the end of August or the beginning of September. I think it's a very good period. And let me know which makeup you are going to bring with you. So, thank you for watching. I hope this video could be helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!